In my second life, I had to be a stripper. Hey guys, so today I'm going through all my clothes and shoes and get rid of the stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear. I'm gonna donate, give some stuff to my mom that I know she might like. And yeah, this room, which is in my bedroom, is so much going on in here. I feel like that's why I'm so overwhelmed. And also the room, our spare room, which is where I shoot all my YouTube videos, and that's our storage for Bourgeois Boutique. That room is out of hand too, so I'm gonna break it up in 2 days. So one day is gonna be just my room, and then the following day will be the beauty room storage and all that. So I have a lot to do. I have a lot, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start with, I guess I'm gonna start with the dressers. I'm gonna start with the dressers. So this clothing rack that's in my bedroom, all these clothes here are new clothes that I have never worn. I actually bought all this stuff for my trips. This year I had 4 trips planned, but of course the coronavirus came, so 2 trips has been canceled indefinitely. So I have 2 more. Hopefully they're still going on, but literally all these clothes was for my trips. I have never worn all these, all the swimsuits. It's real. This is real. So anyway, yes, this is a lot of clothes. I have a lot of clothes, and I have clothes in my dresser. I don't want to show you guys yet. I'm just gonna throw them out. I'm gonna throw all my clothes on the floor, and then I'm gonna go through them like that. I feel like that'd be the best way for me to do it. And I know there's more clothes that I have never worn in my closet. I need to go through as well. Hey guys, so this is my main closet. I try to organize it by color, but it is all the black ones are right there. But it's hard to maintain it. But I'm about to literally go through all these clothes, give away stuff that I don't want, and yeah, basically give away, throw away the ones. But majority, these clothes are good actually. They're a lot of clothes still have their tags on it. I never worn a lot of these stuff. I never worn. Yeah, it's just both of these outfits have. See, a lot of stuff I have never worn, but they're just so cute. So I'm literally about to go through everything, and look at this. Apparently, I know I have a lot of sunglasses. I love sunglasses, but I actually need to go through these sunglasses as well. And on these sides, these are the sunglass cases. I keep every sunglass case that I have. This is bad. This is not even organized. I need to go through these too. And I keep everything. I have more cases right here. I even keep the boxes that goes in. Oh. So I have more cases inside of here. I just want this to be very organized, and yeah, this gives me anxiety basically, because it is so messy. I have sunglass cases all back there. These are my new parents that I want to do a vlog for. I'm gonna do a video for these. And back here, you know what? It's just bad. So I'm about to go through these clothes. I have clothes in the dresser that I need to go through, throw away. And I have shoes that I want to go through as well. I never worn this neither. A lot of clothes I never wore, and I still shopped. That's the problem. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna give it away.
You never even wore that.
How you know?
I'm sorry. You got so much stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna focus on I'm gonna focus on the shoes because this is not working.
You're not getting rid of that.
I like this. I don't remember having it. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm just gonna skip this closet and I'm gonna go to the shoes because.
Damn shame.
Hey guys, so okay, I am now sitting on the floor and going through my shoes because this closet wasn't it. It wasn't it. Oh, what's that? Okay. Everything's a mess. Please don't judge me. But the closet was a fail. Only gave away one thing. And I really want to keep everything that's in there. But the drawers, I have put all those clothes in my drawers on the right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at, and I'm gonna go through that. Let's go. So I'm gonna show you what the shoes that I am getting rid of. These shoes I wore a couple times. Yeah, I don't like these no more. So I'm throwing all my shoes that I don't want in this bag. I'll put it up here. These shoes, look how bad these are. So those will get rid of them. Whoa. Okay. When you see these shoes, I think I went through some type of phase, because look how high these are. Literally all my shoes are like this high, and I'm already tall at that. So yeah, these gotta go. I wore them. I'm gonna get rid of these. Oh, I can't believe it. These are cute too, I guess. He's going bye-bye. I used to love these shoes. I used to wear these all the time. I swear, like back in my second life, I had to have been a stripper, because all my shoes were like these. Wow. Okay. I'm debating if I should get rid of these or just keep them for. I'll probably just keep these for sentimental. It's called sentimental values. Probably keep those. I might. Okay. Okay, I need to go through those clothes now. Okay, I'm gonna put this outside the door, and then I'm gonna start all those clothes, the rest of the clothes. Yeah, what is this? And this is why I hate white clothes. They look all dingy. This been sitting in my dresser. That's another thing why I don't like dressers neither. I am so tired. This is literally a workout. I'm gonna keep this. I have more clothes in my dresser, and I don't like dressers, but I have so much clothes, and right now I'm failing at cleaning and decluttering, because literally I like everything. I want to keep everything, and I don't have enough storage for it. So this is not a good job for me to do. And I have 5 more drawers to go through. And so far my pile of clothes I'm getting rid of is tiny. But the shoes is a lot. Like, I'm getting rid of a lot of shoes. I'm proud of myself on that. But the clothes, I can't just get rid of them just yet. Okay, so let me go through the rest of these drawers and see what I don't want. And then, yeah, because so far I'm keeping a lot of this crap. And that's bad. No more shopping for me. No more, no more. No more shopping. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know today's video has been a fail for me. Like the pile down here, I'm embarrassed to show you, but the pile down here that I'm getting rid of is so tiny, and I'm giving a bag away of shoes, and literally that's it. That's all. Everything else made the cut. This is a wake-up call that I need to stop shopping. So no more shopping, and yeah, no more shopping. I'm stressed. This is a lot. But I hope that you guys enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Why she look like she's somebody's widow leaving from the pool? She just got cashed out.